the end will turn right, please. If cars have now turned in, they would have to wait for you. Right, it's a strange scenario. So this one will have to wait for you now. Not necessarily your priority or right away, it's just they could not go into their road without cutting the corner. So therefore they just have to wait till we've cleared. Alright? It would have been different if we'd approached it and someone had already committed and gone in. We would have held back, let them finish. There's always a in-between sort of time where you're always ready to slow. People shouldn't turn in, but you half expect them to, because people don't look into the roads very well. They turn and then start looking.
Right.
So it's a tricky little situation, but it was a good one, mate. You dealt with it. Dealt with it really well.